Have you ever marveled at the way your body moves? How effortlessly you can wave, jump, dance, or simply pick up a cup of coffee? The secret behind this seemingly simple yet intricate movement lies within the realm of our body's joints. So what exactly is a joint? In the simplest terms, a joint is a point where two or more bones meet. Imagine them as the hinges on a door or the link in a chain. They facilitate movement and provide mechanical support to our bodies. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of joints. There are several types of joints in the human body, but for today we'll focus on the main four: ball and socket joints, hinge joints, pivot joints, and gliding joints. First up, ball and socket joints. Picture a ball that fits perfectly into a cup-like socket. This design allows for movement in all directions. Your hip and shoulder joints fall into this category, allowing you to swing your arms and legs in various directions. Next, we have hinge joints. These work just like the hinges on a door, enabling movement in one direction. Think of your elbows and knees, opening and closing like a book, allowing you to bend and straighten your arms and legs. Then, there are pivot joints. These joints rotate around a single axis. It's like a wheel spinning on its axle. Your neck is a prime example of this, with the pivot joint between the first two vertebrae, allowing you to turn your head from side to side. Lastly, we have gliding joints. These joints involve flat or slightly curved surfaces that slide over one another, allowing for a wide range of motion, similar to two pieces of flat glass sliding over each other. Your wrists and ankles are excellent examples, providing the flexibility needed for many of our daily activities. In summary, our bodies are an impressive assembly of joints, each with their own unique design and purpose. Ball and socket joints allow for movement in all directions. Hinge joints facilitate movement in one direction. Pivot joints enable rotation around a single axis, and gliding joints allow surfaces to slide over one another. Each joint plays a crucial role in our everyday lives, from the simple act of picking up a cup of coffee to the complex maneuvers in a dance routine. So the next time you move, take a moment to appreciate the wonder that is your body's joints.